Back at the job site, folks. Greasing up drive lines before we drive the machines out. It's a little bit farther than we like to go, so we're just gonna take a few precautions, check fluids, grease, and then take off. Couple of drive line zerks here. I didn't get to when I ran out of grease. Anybody else run out of grease every time I touch a grease gun? Hit the like button if you're not the only one. I know I'm not. Loading tracks. I'm forgetful, so I was making a mental note how many tools I took out. Today it was one, almost forgot. Make sure you put them away. Howdy folks, we're driving down the road now. Kind of just walking the machine out about 3 miles to where my truck is now. Then we're going to give the machines a break and then continue on our journey. But I'll show you the mud up here in front of me in a second. If I don't stay on the exact center of the road, I could cut it up. Last year this did fall right through. Staying in dead center where the best base is. Well, that wasn't so bad. We're cleaning the road off. I'm gonna charge the state for my road fixing. There we go. Now we're gonna go over this bridge. It's a really freaking tight fit. Line our approach up. It's so narrow that if you don't think about it, it's not a problem. When you start overthinking it, is when you start to... Yeah. I bumped it just a tiny bit, but we made her. Road really sucks. This is a county road. It's that time of year. Rougher than all get out. There really ain't much going on out here right now. Being it's Friday, probably see a lot of side-by-sides and four-wheelers on the trails here later today because it's finally nice out. Pulling into this little parking lot here. I hopped in this machine like not that long ago. It was a little chilly out. Now it is hot. Warming up fast here in the Ute. Do it like this so we can let the machines cool off. The transfer case is doesn't have a cooling system on it. It's really considered the transmission of the machine. So we let them cool off like that, and works pretty good. Dead hemlock branch stuck up there. Pretty muddy in here. His truck parked up at the job site. So, on the road again. There we go. The AC cranking in this thing. There's my uncle. And we're heading over the bridge. Now we're going to do the world a favor and cut off took care of it. So this is what we're working on. A little cleanup job. We had a windstorm coming through our area, knocked a bunch of these trees over. So we're gonna do the landowner a favor on our way through and clean this mess up and cut all these trees. Actually, cut every one of them. Make it look pretty in comparison to this mess. We're recording. Pines or Scotch. Actually, both terms are considered correct. I want to note something about where I'm cutting right here. And that tree that just fell, the dead one, from there, right past the camera here, is that. I'm right on a highway. There's a power line right here. And we will lock the cab tonight, I think. And from my seat, I was looking at this. I wanted to check it out before I get too close to whatever this is. Oh, it was a birdhouse on an old power pole. That's a wrap, folks. Appreciate you watching. So if you're stuck around to the end, you're the best. Take it easy, and Have a good weekend.